So what's up guys? Good morning. We're back again. GBP yesterday that we checked out GBP yesterday and damn it was crazy. Funny funny how I didn't want to trade GBP yesterday and that's what ended up giving all the profits. Can you see our entry on GBP? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, sorry guys, I've not started doing the analysis, just chill. I'm sharing the link so everyone can join in as usual. This GBP yesterday killed it yesterday on GBP. We killed it on GBP yesterday. Let's do more today. So if you're just joining, you're welcome. You can see yesterday we killed it on GBP. Killed it, nailed it. Nailed it on GBP yesterday. Oh, back again this morning. Let's nail it again. Share the link to your stats. Share the link. I'm doing that right now. Hope you guys are enjoying the track. I want the entire community to join, so I'm sharing the link. Sharing the link. Let's go. Let's go. Then I'll start the review ASAP. We'll go through everything. Okay, we're ready to go. We're ready to go. We're ready to go. So if you have not shared the link already, make sure to do so. Make sure to share the link to the friends. Let's get it again. Let's go. So yesterday was nice on GBP USD. I analyzed GBP USD yesterday, and we got to look at it. It was a win. There was also that 3:30 p.m. Entry I told you guys about at the end of the live stream. So that's why it's good to watch to the end. I told you guys about that entry, and you can see the entry went through. It worked out again. So Euro USD again. Remember, we also analyzed Euro USD. Let's see how it played out. Let's see how yesterday played out on Euro USD. GBP USD played out nicely. So Euro is coming, load up. Oh, Euro doesn't want to load. So I'm just going to open Euro on this page. Euro USD. Yeah, so Euro USD as well played out nicely, although it took a longer time. Yesterday on GBP, we had TP at around 2 o'clock. On Euro USD, TP just hit this morning for 2 hours, for 2 weeks to reward ratio. TP just hit for 2 weeks to reward ratio. But there was also the 330 reversal entry I told you guys about. It played out on Euro. You can see that one hits within minutes. You can see it here. Check it out. You can see it here. We have the shift to market structure here. Come on. Yeah, we had the shift to market structure here. All we just needed to do was to target a fair value gap, and you can see there were multiple fair value gaps in which we used that first fair value gap, and we hit TP here. So that's not included. So we just hit TP there. So it was a nice run. So what about gold? What happened on gold? Gold too, we got the direction right, but there was a big manipulation on gold. So there was a stop loss hit on gold. Just hit the SL, then continued our way. But there was a possibility to like re-enter here, although I didn't take the re-entry around 12:30. So that's something I'll be looking out for in case we get stopped out. We can do a re-entry. So there was a possibility for a re-entry, but either ways, we got 2 wins here and here. Euro and GBP. So this morning we're coming again to do the same thing. So, and maybe I'll live stream the 330 entry as well, because 330 is so precise. You can see this 330 on immediately at 330 price will just start reversing. You can see there was a move up. Then 330 we have our reversal. This is 330, this line, Nigerian time. Once you have that reversal, you enter the fair value gap and you suck. It's very crazy. It happens. That's on Euro. Let me show you guys the 330 on GBP. So I'll show you guys 330 on GBP as well. The same thing. Let's go. Where is it? The time. Okay, here it is. Okay, this is 330. On the 1 minute, that's when you'll be able to see the structure very well. So on the 1 minute, you see that there's a market structure shift here. Then what do we wait for? Wait for the fair value gap, and that's the fair value gap. You enter and you sell downwards for 2 weeks to reward ratio. We ended up giving up to like 3. So very nice stuff. So you can see very nice stuff. So that would have given like 2 wins yesterday. So our analysis yesterday was top notch. 2 wins on GBP, the 330 and the silver bullet, London silver bullet. Same thing with Euro USD. So let's start with our top down analysis on gold this morning and see if we can get something out of the market. So if you remember, we always start from the weekly time frame. So yeah, I love what I'm seeing right now on the weekly time frame. Absolutely love it. That's because gold is trying to tell us its direction. So we already know direction is quite bearish now. I've been seeing this for a while. That's why we marked out this place as our target. So another target has been hit again. Liquidity. So the price moves to 2 point liquidity and imbalance. Fair value gap. So there's also a fair value gap that is not completely filled here on the weekly time frame. And one of the reasons why gold is dropping like this because I think it's because of Donald Trump, the US election and stuff. You understand? Since he won basically, US the dollar will be getting stronger and stuff. People are also investing in crypto as well. So gold is not that strong again. So let's go down to the lower time frame on gold. This is the daily time frame. So these are let me delete this line. So that day time frame on gold, yeah, we're looking bearish. You should looking bearish. Go down to another lower time frame on the 4 hour, looking bearish as well. 4 hour looking bearish. Oh, this is a nice movement there. I'm just imagining you could have taken this entry. This one too was nice, but it has not still hit 2 hours. It's just suffer. So yeah, so we're looking bearish. We're rejecting off a breaker block here. This is a breaker block here, so we're rejecting off that breaker block. So there's also a fair value gap above the breaker block. Price might go there. So we're seeing. Let's just see the lower time frames again. Let's see if we can get something clean. So right now you can start selling here because we're selling off this breaker block. This one, so we're selling off there. So let me check the 30 minutes and see what would be a good place for a stop loss. Price could go inside all this place and start rejecting. So you can, but that stop loss is too wide. That's why we'll not be selling there. So let me mark this as S. Let me put S right SL. So that we can see it from go. So this SL. But we're not taking this SL yet. We're not taking this trade yet. So just watching. So that's really maximum stop loss if we were to take a sell. So it's already selling off this breaker block. So we'll be looking for something around here. So we need a lower time frame confirmation. We need a lower time frame confirmation before we can enter a sell. And what is going to give us that lower time frame confirmation is basically once we get to below this low. Although this looks like a good enough confirmation to go for a sell, but let's see if we can get something more. If we can just take out this low, that would be nice. But if we go and take out all these highs, then I'll be looking to buy into for a short buy into all these areas, into all those areas. But what I would like to see is a sell. What I would like to see is a sell from You can drop the pairs you want me to check out in the comment section. Just like yesterday, we checked our Euro I analyzed it and it went well. So we're looking for a silver bullet for sell for gold. So let's see if we can get something. Let me delete all these things so that I'll get a cleaner chart. Okay, there's another low here. There's another low there. See. There's something I'm seeing on the higher time frame. I want to mark out this other block. Let me just mark out this OB for our other block so I will know that that's the range where we're looking for. But anything we're doing on the lower time frame, basically, we have to always keep the higher time frame in mind. So keeping this higher time frame order block OB. So let me write the order block for people that are just new here. Keeping that higher time frame order block in mind, 4 hours order block, we have gaps here as well. Keeping that in mind, keeping that in mind. So hopefully we do get a sell entry. Okay, it's about to take out one of the lows we marked out. So let me go ahead and quickly set the alerts for goal at least, so that once we take out any area, we'll be able to get notified. So I'll set an alert for this high. Then I'll set an alert for the midpoint of this other block. The midpoint of this 3 minutes order block. So if price close below that center of the other block, you see, you will start looking for sales. All right, now I need to be convinced that there has been a change in state of delivery for price. So I need to be convinced first. I'm not yet convinced. So while we're doing that, let's go over to Euro USD and GBP USD. Oh, this one already started selling off. I think there's already a move on GBP USD. Yep, there's a move on GBP USD. It didn't take it. That would have been it. Let me zoom close so you guys can see it. Can you see this fair value gap here? Can you see that fair value gap? That would have been it. So what you can look for now, GBP has already moved. So what we're just looking for is a re-entry. Let me quickly do a top down on it first of all. I don't like going on without doing top downs. So bearish top down, and as the weekly is bearish, targeting that area. Daily is bearish as well. So let's see here. Daily is bearish as well. 4 hour is 100% bearish. 1 hour bearish as well. No, it's almost, it's just tearing down, man. So until proven wrong, we're going to continue selling. So let's just join the trend. The trend is your friend. So this was the first entry. Let me check the time for that entry if it was within our silver bullet. Okay, yep, so it was almost within the silver bullet. In fact, and even confirm the silver bullet. It's not Nigerian time, it's New York time. So let me quickly go ahead and change this to New York time and make sure we're trading the right time. So it's supposed to be 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. New York time. Okay, we're in the correct time. So I can put it back to Lagos, Nigeria. So we had our shifting market structure here for GBP. We'll go to the 3 minutes. You can see an entry. Anywhere you see entry, you can enter basically anywhere. Okay, this is this fair value gap that we just tapped. This fair value gap that we just tapped would have been the it. Like that is it. This is it. So you can join. You can actually join this sell right now. You can join this sell right now. Even though just target times 2. Just target times 2. Although we know that the main target is down there at times 7. But just target times 2. put your stop loss above this high, yeah, this area. So that will be it. So I don't want to trade GBP. As I said, this week I'll be trading only gold. No matter how it is, I'll just trade only gold. I don't know why, but oh God. I'm trading only gold. So that's the entry for GBP USD today. I don't know why I'm tempted to join. I don't know. I don't think I've already made up my mind to trade GBP this week. I mean to trade gold this week. Let me quickly check what's going on Euro USD. Why is gold doing outside this now? Just give me a fucking setup. I don't want to join GBP. I want my the account I'm trading to read only one pair. I just want one pair. I'm trying to build a track record for mastering gold or trading only gold. So I need my accounts to just be showing only gold. So that's why I'm trading only gold. And again, gold just usually gives me more wins. Even though I'm seeing a setup on other pairs, I just want to trade gold. So let's go to Euro USD, bearish as well. Targets are below for those liquidity. Then we have the 4-hour as well. We have the 1 hour. Still bearish on the 1 hour. 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is retracing to give an entry. Unless we go above this high or those highs, everything is just sell on Euro, on GBP. So this is an entry on Euro USD. Now, once we start going to that fair value gap, you can start selling there. Your entry, your order here, stop loss above here. But I prefer you take the GBP trade. I prefer you take the GBP trade because of how Euro is very slow. Like yesterday, you saw how slow it was to give us our take profit. Yeah, this was yesterday's entry. Although it did take profit, but it was still very slow. And our stop loss was very wide. I think that's one of the reasons again. So this is it for Euro USD. You can take anyone though. Take Euro, just take it down there. It looks clean. It's very clean. I like it actually. I like it. I like the Euro trade. I like the Euro trade. Yo, so GBP USD, I told you guys, sorry, my mic was off. I didn't know my mic was off. So don't panic. Don't panic on GBP. Don't panic on GBP. You see that, okay, it looks like it's going to stop loss. Don't panic. This is Euro. I've entered it on paper trade. You can see it's showing some fake digits. So the reason why I say you should not panic on GBP, and let me show you. Let me reload the chart first. So I can show you why not to panic. If you are in the trade already, if you're in the GBP trade, just let me know in the comment section. So if you're in the GBP trade already, just let me know in the comment section. Yeah, GBP is close to stop loss. Although I didn't enter it. If you are in the trade already, let me know. I think this one is gone already. Once we close above 50% of this other block, it's gone already. So once we close above, but still watching this 15 minutes candle hasn't closed. Let me show you the line. What invalidates the other block? We'll mark the other block from here to here. Then we'll put the line at the middle. That's 50% using Fibonacci. So once we close above that line, that means this trade is invalid. You can take out some positions already. So that's just it. Although there's nothing wrong if it even hits stop loss, because yesterday you can see yesterday was a win, 2 wins. So that's why trading is not just about one setup. I mean, that it's not just about one setup, one trade. Accumulatively, there's always losses. There are always losses, but your losses might not even be more than your wins. You might take more losses than wins, but you'll still be profitable. So it's not just that's why I don't like giving out signals like that, like on groups and stuff, free signals. I don't like giving free signals because free signals, yeah, because free signals, what free signals does basically is that you you, you basically just be taking trades from somebody, and you might not take the trade every single time. So that means it just breaks the whole system. The system is designed whereby out of a number of trades, for example, out of 50 trades, no, let's just use 10. Out of 20 trades, the system is designed out of 20 trades, at least you should win, at least few should be winners, and let's say 50% of them can be winners. But if you are taking signal and you just take one, you don't take all of them. Out of the 20, you took only five, and those five you took were the losing ones. You'll be in a loss. But the person giving you the signal took every single one, and he took those five loss too, but he also took the remaining 15 wins. So he's going to be profitable while you're not going to be. That's why it's a combination of all the trades. If you took yesterday's one, you would have won 2 hours, 2 weeks to reward. If you took the afternoon, it would have been 4 weeks to reward. Then right now, if you lose this one now, it's just going to be minus 1 hour. So you still be profitable for the week. So it's not just about one trade. That's why you shouldn't panic. That's why you should always be calm in your trades. That's why you should always be calm in your trades. So I've not gotten the close yet, although it's possible we might get the close about that area and hit stop loss, but that's not a problem at all. Stop loss is not a problem. Stop loss is our friend. It's here to protect you as a trader. So I told you all I'm trading only gold for this week. And so far it's only one trade I've taken on gold. So today we're still waiting to see if something happen, but it's still playing around this way. I'm not really bothered about price playing around, because anytime gold is playing, I know that I'm not going to go in, and it's going to save me money. You understand? It's going to save me money. So why? Yeah. So that's why I'm just chill. I'm chill. GBP is euro. They're still in the same area. They're not. I feel like joining the trade, or I feel like joining the USD trade. I feel like joining the GBP trade. But I've already set my rules for it. I'm not going to trade these pairs for this week, maybe even next week, depending on how things go this week. The possible trades, because yesterday on Euro was win, so I'll know if I will continue trading oil gold next week. So this afternoon, if you want me to trade, to show you guys to trade live 3:30 and show you the 3:30 reversal entries, can let me know in the comments. So I'll know if I can set, if I'll set timeouts to do that by 3:30. I'll come and show you guys this setup. That happens very, 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 very often. I think maybe I might even stop the silver bullet live trading and just focus on that one, because that one is very clean. Okay, we have our alerts already on gold. Once we get below those lows, I'll be looking for sell. But right now it's ranging in our area. Just like yesterday. Yesterday too was ranging in the area. Around 12 that we saw it set up. So let's just be calm, let's just be chill until something shows up. I think GBP is already gone. In 5 minutes time, you know if GBP is gone or not. So is there any other pair you would like me to analyze? I don't really know which pair I should check out again, because I'm not even trading any of them. So I'm trading only gold. I'm just watching gold chart. Let's see. GBP is gone, officially gone. Even Euro, I guess. Euro is gone, but no problem. Yesterday was a win on both of these pairs. Yesterday was a win on both of these pairs, so today's loss will not a problem at all. So chicken out on this one. It's gone. I guess the reason why it's gone is because there's so many space here for price to go into on the 1 minute, on the 1 hour. So many. Even Euro USD, there's so many space for it to go into. I talked about this. So the entry was not A plus though. It was not A plus. It's not an A plus setup. So this is where it's going to next. So let's say you were mixing maybe half of your daily wicks, and you want to try again. this would be a good entry, the 1 hour, that 1 hour fair value gap, because I know that's where price is going to next. That's where it's going to next after the. So, but I'm not trading gold this week. I'm in euro. So let me go back to my baby girl. See. So reason why I like gold, like I always say, if there's no setup, you just know. Like right now, there's nothing I can do up on gold because it's clear that there's no setup. I've marked out the levels I want to see get taken out, and since 9 o'clock, you see that it has just been ranging in those levels. And what are the levels I marked out? This line, this alert here. So that once it cross, I'll get notified on my phone and also on my PC. This line again. So, but if you notice, since 9 o'clock, it has just been up, down. It's still in that area until I get until I get price to break below these areas. Then that's when I'm going to have a setup. For now, I can't force a setup because I know that there's no So yeah, 3:30 reversal hit TPS today. Yeah, 3:30 reversal hit TP. Yeah, it was nice. It was very nice actually. So we're breaking out slowly on gold, but not very well. Sorry for the noise in the background. I can't really do anything about neighbors. I think I'll need a proper studio soon. Yeah, so let me take a quick peek of this. So God has not given us anything yet. If something presents itself on gold, I don't know if I'll be able to take it since it's past 10 already. So yeah, the 330, yeah, it was nice. Let me show you. Let me even open. It played out on Euro. It also played out on GBP. So it was epic. I'm so glad I found that out. So today I'll trade it. I'll try to find a trade. I'll try to find a trade by 330. So this was it yesterday. This was the 330 yesterday. So this was the 330. So this was the 330 yesterday. Basically, we just, as I said, on before 3:30 p.m. price will be going one direction. First, you first have to know the trend. Okay, you know that before 3:30 it was bullish, right? So this is the line I'll use to mark out 3:30. So it was bullish before 3:30. So hold on, just hold on. Let me quickly do something, then I'll continue. On Yo, what's up, King Wisdom? I think I'm just seeing you here for the first time. So if you're just joining for the first time, I don't know if you have been joining the live stream, but if you're just joining for the first time, you need to subscribe to the channel because we do there's a lot And again, I'm always saying, guys, your prop firm account, you can get your prop firm account and stop trading small accounts. Check the description, message me out. You can get a prop firm for as low as $30. Yeah, and also there's something again. If you check the description or message me, I'll send you a link to join a Telegram group where you can have access to like free tech courses, free skill courses you can learn. So at least you can have some money to fund your trading account and all that. So you can have some money to fund your trading accounts. So it's a Telegram group. Those courses are paid, but I found a way to get access. Blah, 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 and hear something. I hope YouTube doesn't hear this sharp. And make sure to subscribe. So let me quickly go over the 330 that I told you guys. So that line, that blue dotted line is 330. So before 330, you know that the trend is bullish. So once 330 just hits, you mark out a structure that you want to see a market structure shift. So exactly at 330, we have that market structure shift. After the market structure shift, what do you look for? You start looking for fair value gaps for your entry. There's a fair value gap here, there's another one here, there's also another one high. What you look for, you take the first one. So you see, I put my entry at the first fair value gap there. Immediately I put my entry at the first fair value gap, I put my stop loss above the high, covering the rest of the fair value gaps. Above the high, covering the rest of the fair value gaps, you understand? Then you target times 2 and you see what happens. It goes and gives you over times 2. It gives up to 2.7. Or yeah, so don't be greedy with the strategy. It's a very nice one. That's on Euro UXD. So if we go and check on Friday, because yesterday was Monday, so let's go to Friday and see if that is going to happen again. Let's check it out on Friday. 330, right? 330. So this is it. I even took the bigger one. Let me look at this 330, right? So I'll use the line in case you're not seeing it. I'll use this big dotted line to mark out 330. So before 330, what do we notice? We notice price is what? Bullish, going up. That's the first thing you have to note. Is price bullish or bearish? So right now, before 330, price is what? Is bullish. So what do you need to do? You mark out your structure that you want to see get taken out. So this is a structure here. You can use this one, this first structure. You can use this first structure. Let me put it out there. So you can use this first structure. Once it gets taken out, you start looking for your fair value gap for a buy. So let's say this structure now, where was it taken out? It was taken out here. It was taken out there. So here is a fair value gap that you can use. You can use this fair value gap to enter. You can use this fair value gap to enter yourself. Then you put your entry like this. Then you see that it's going to give you like a lot, not even more than times 2. Let's say you didn't get in there. Let's say you waited a bit, you missed that first fair value gap. So you are still looking. And again, price has now come to do what? To take out this low again, to form another shift in market structure. So once it takes out that low, what happens? You see, as price is taking out a low, the candle taking out that low, this candle is forming a fair value gap. There's a fair value gap here. So what do? You put your entry at that fair value gap. Put your entry at the fair value gap here. Then where do you put your stop loss? Above the high. So you can just put it above here. So what do you now aim for? You aim for times 2. Do you get more than times 2? Yes. Where are you actually even aiming for? You're aiming for liquidity, this liquidity, and you see it gets taken out. And immediately liquidity was taken out, price start reversing. That's one thing about liquidity. It will take it out and start reversing. So that was at 330 again. So it happens like frequently. Oh boy. Almost missed the setup on gold. Damn. Thank God. I'm going to start looking for my sell on gold. Shit, I almost missed it. Just because of talking, man. I hope there's enough opportunity for me to do, but my stop loss will be so wide. So I hope it goes up a bit. So my stop loss will be wide like them. So I'll just enter there. So let me set it. I hate wide stop losses. But what can I do, man? I don't know how far. Okay, it's still going. So we can use here. Let me just wait a bit and see. Maybe I'll enter small, then enter the rest later. So I'm risking as usual $40. Five. I'm adjusting my lot size so it can reach the amount of risks I'm taking. So I'm in for the sell already with a very wide stop loss, which is terrible. Very, very bad. And my things are going still retracing. I've entered at very, very expensive price. Anyways, so that's it. So that's it for gold. Oh shit. I wish I entered very early. Very, very early. So I'm looking for a target on gold. Looking for our TP target. So that will be my TP target at 2,558. Too early, man. 2,550. 585, sorry, 0.280. Wow, that's very small. So the TP is very small. So let me just aim here. Guess it's because of the wide stop loss down. Should have waited a bit there. What do I keep buying now? So if you are just joining, you have an opportunity here. Like you can start. For me, I went to go and buy sell here too early. I can't do anything about it right now. I can't do anything. I can't say I will enter again or close. I just have what I can do right now is just wait. That's the only thing I can do right now is just watch. Maybe once it goes into some profits, I can readjust and all that. But right now, all I just have to do is watch. So I have my targets, and let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'll enter a paper trade as well. So entire freakish early. So, no, it's not. Going to be selling all this much of gold. So a stop loss of $11 million on paper trade, take profit at 20 million. Okay, yeah, this is it for gold. Beautiful, beautiful. That means I'm not going to trade in the afternoon. I'll just watch it. So this is nice. Hopefully we don't get stopped out like yesterday again. Good morning. So all we can do right now is wait. Yeah, gold is in profit of $1 million in paper trade. Gold is in profit of $1 million in paper trade. So that is it. I want to see how euro is doing. Remember, GBP hit stop loss, but euro I didn't actually see it hit stop loss. That's why I don't like euro. It's so slow. Hit stop loss if you want to hit. If you don't want to hit, let let's have some rest. Okay, so I guess that'll be all for today, guys. Um, yeah, a million. So that'll be all for today. That'll be all for today. Let's see how it plays out. In the afternoon, even though I've gotten in a trade today, I'm not allowed to take any other trade though. But I will still come by 3:30 to try out. Maybe to just trade, use small risks and trade the what they call it, the 3:30. So what gold is in profit. Yeah, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Share the link, subscribe. I'll be dropping some videos today, both short videos and long videos. So make sure to check it out on the channel once it drops. So be active. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. And if you have subscribed, you'll see a bell icon. If you have not clicked on the bell, make sure to click on it so you can get notified. So again, check the okay, I've not dropped the link to the Telegram. Okay, let me just hold on, let me drop the link to Telegram where you'll be able to get access to some free courses that you can learn a tech skill from. At least I can be giving you some funds. So hold up. Let me get the link. Let me get the link for the Telegram. So I'll drop the link in the comments and I'll pin the comment. So I've dropped it. I've dropped it. I've dropped it. I've dropped the link. So check it out in the comment section. So check the comments. Yeah. So that will be all for today. Check the description as well. I think I'll drop it there as well. So I'll see you guys tomorrow or in the afternoon.